Hi there, I'm Matthew Geddes, career coach and the office enthusiast. What do
bears, beets, Battlestar Galactica
have in common? Besides being the cornerstone of Dwight Schrute's personality, they hold the secret to authenticity. And trust me, authenticity is the key to succeeding with your job search. I know, it sounds ridiculous. It works. Let's talk about why authenticity matters. A study from Harvard Business Review shows that job applicants perceived as authentic, genuine and real, were 26% more likely to be hired than those who tried to cater to what they thought the employers wanted. Not only that, it's exhausting to try and be something you're not. So today we're breaking down authenticity with the help of bears, beets, and Battlestar Galactica. How staying true to yourself can make your job search stand out. Tip 1. Networking. Be the bear.
Question: what kind of bear is best?
That's a ridiculous question.
False. Black bear.
Well, that's debatable. There are basically two schools of thought.
Fact: bears eat beets.
Bears don't overthink it. They're confident and unapologetically themselves. When you're networking, you don't need to be the most polished person in the room. Just be approachable and real. Instead of launching into a rehearsed elevator pitch like, I'm seeking opportunities to leverage my skill set, try something like, I've been exploring the field of automation. It's an area I'm really passionate about. What inspired you to pursue your current role? The goal is connection, not just impressing them with buzzwords. Share your interests and talk about your goals and let your authentic self shine through. People will remember the bear, not a squirrel trying to act like one. Tip 2. Interviews. Channel the beet.
Beets. 15 a year on our beet farm. Nobody cares about your stupid beet farm. Beets are the worst.
People love beets.
Nobody likes beets.
Beets are vibrant and a little messy, just like us sometimes. Embrace that humanity during interviews. If you're feeling nervous, it's okay to say something like, I'm a bit nervous because I'm really excited about this role. That honesty can actually work in your favor. Not only that, acknowledging your anxiety will actually help you to relax. And if you start answering a question and realize you're getting off track, just pause and say, you know what? I don't think I'm explaining this well. Can I start over? This shows self-awareness and authenticity. And when answering questions, instead of giving rehearsed answers you think the employer wants to hear, focus on what you bring to the table that's uniquely you.
How would I describe myself? 3 words. Hardworking, alpha male, jackhammer, merciless, insatiable.
For example, instead of saying, I'm a hard worker, share a story that proves it. Employers want to hire people, not polished robots, unless the job is literally being a robot, in which case, good luck. Also remember, being authentic doesn't mean you're skip practicing your answers beforehand. Think of it like preparing for a presentation. I'll write notes and practice out loud, but won't follow my script word for word during the actual talk. Finally, let's talk about job applications. Just like Battlestar Galactica embraced its quirks and found its loyal fan base, your job application should do the same. Don't send out generic resumes or cover letters. Tailor each one to reflect your personality.
Professional resume, athletic and special skills resume, and Dwight Schrute trivia.
Instead of saying, I'm excited to apply for this role because it aligns with my skills, try something like, this role caught my eye because it combines automation and problem solving. 2 things I love so much that I've spent many Friday nights debugging code instead of going out. Also, consider including a value statement in your resume profile that highlights what really drives you.
Just avoid sounding too robotic or cliche. No less a cover letter or resume that reads like it was generated by AI.
Not sure. Just became self-aware. So much to figure out.
Being authentic doesn't mean saying everything that pops into your head. This isn't a reality show confession booth.
Sometimes I'll start a sentence and I don't even know where it's going. I just hope I find it along the way.
It's about being genuine while maintaining professionalism. So yes, admit if you're nervous or ask to start over if needed. But maybe don't tell the interviewer that their office decor reminds you of your grandmother's basement. Be real, but strategic. You want to show your humanity without oversharing. So to sum it all up, be the bear in your networking, confident and unpretentious. Be the beet in your interviews, vibrant and a bit vulnerable. And be like Battlestar Galactica in your applications, unique and true to yourself. Authenticity isn't just a nice idea, it's a competitive advantage. And if all else fails, remember, even bears have bad days, but they're still terrifyingly effective. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career tips and job search strategies.